This installation video will walk you through step-by-step how to install a new residential wall hydrant to your current plumbing system. Before you begin, you will need the following tools to help you through the installation: a drill, Phillips screwdriver, adjustable pliers, safety glasses, and the proper materials for connecting your water supply. Step 1. Turn off the main water supply. Next, drill a 1-inch hole at the desired hydrant location on your exterior wall. Insert the wall hydrant through the hole until it is flush with the wall. Your frost-proof wall hydrant has a 4-degree pitch built into the flange to allow for proper drainage, which prevents freezing pipes in the winter. Connect the valve to the water supply on the inside of the house or structure. Turn with a wrench until the alignment mark is facing down. At this time, turn your water supply back on, attach a closed-in hose to pressurize the system, and turn the hydrant on to test for leaks. If leaks are found inside, make proper adjustments. If leaking behind the handle, tighten the packing nut. If no leaks are found, you are ready to secure the hydrant to the exterior wall. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your new PRIER wall hydrant. If you have any questions about PRIER or any of our products, please call PRIER customer service at 1-800-362-9055 or find us at prier.com.
PRIER. Innovative, reliable, value, built for life.